Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on my channel, Jatube. Today, after the 11,000 views on my water white video, thank you so much guys, that is a huge milestone. I was checking the comments and I saw that 2 or 3 people have requested for me to do a Gus Fring outfit. So if you guys don't know, Gus Fring is the main villain, or not really the main villain, the best villain of Breaking Bad. He owns a chicken restaurant called Los Pollos Hermanos and is my favorite character from the entire show. So today, we are going to create a Gus Fring outfit on Roblox. So as always with my other outfit videos, let's start off with the accessories. So first you will need the faded waves. Well, there are other waves like this, but sometimes it's more expensive and I chose the faded waves because, you know, Gus Fring needs a fade, you know. So next one is professional gold glasses. It's 20 Robux, very cheap, and it looks almost exactly the same like Gus Fring's. So it's golden and it's round. And next you would need the Gus Fring shirt for 5 Robux and the Gus Fring's pants for 5 Robux too. So now let's just put all of that on. Gus Fring and double Gus Fring. And accessories, go to face, equip the glasses, and go to body, go to, oh whoops, sorry, air, and choose the faded waves. And then we're done. But no, we still need to change the skin tone. So for the skin tone, go to advanced and choose this one. Click done. And there we go. We have Gus Fring. Now for the face, I suggest a neutral / angry face. But for me, I already have the rage face, so that's what I'm gonna use. It's a bit pricey, but overall, this outfit is really cheap, only costing 80 Robux, aka $1 US. So that's it guys, a budget and nice looking Gus Fring avatar. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a thumbs up and comment what other avatars you want next. So thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, goodbye.
Sus.